Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So now today let us start with third chapter in civics, that is why do we need a parliament. So is it even important for us to have a parliament or not? So this is what we will discuss in this chapter. So it is all about why do we actually need a parliament. So 15th August 1947 is the date when all of us were free from the Britishers. So this is considered to be our Independence Day. So people had joined struggle. They were inspired by the ideas of freedoms, that we should have equality, there should be participation of ours also in the decisions making. But Indians did not agree decisions that they took. So Indians wanted their freedom. So with the high pressure of Indian National Congress, British government allowed to discuss the budget and ask the questions. So now what is actually a parliament? When people elect their own representatives, and where is it actually possible? It is only possible in a country which is democratic, that is where people are allowed to vote, where people are free to vote the type of candidate they want. So over here in a democratic country like India, people elect their own representative. Group representatives will form the government. So this is what we call the parliament. When all the persons are represented in a group, they form a group, they represent the government. So parliament is made up of representatives that will control and guide the government. So this is what we mean by parliament, where we are electing the people and they will be responsible for the better functioning of our country. So this is what we call by parliament. So next we are going to study is about Indian Parliament. You live in India, that is we all live in India. It is very much important for all of us to know what is Indian Parliament. So what does Indian Parliament consist of? The Indian Parliament consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now all of you must be knowing that what are the different scenarios that go on in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So you must have also seen on the news channels, and you must have also heard or you must have seen videos from the YouTube or things like that. So what is actually Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and what are the roles and responsibilities or the functions of the president is what we are going to study in this video today. So starting with Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is also called the lower house. I repeat, Lok Sabha is also called the lower house. It is the house of the people. So here the maximum strength is 552. So 530 members from the states are there, 20 members from the union territories. I'm very sure that you are knowing the meaning of union territories, which is the place which is not a state nor a city is called a union territory. Like say for example Delhi. Delhi is although a capital of India, but Delhi is not a state, it's not a city. Delhi is considered under a union territory. Andaman and Nicobar, so it is what, it's a union territory. So there will be 20 members from the union territory in the Lok Sabha, 2 members from Anglo-Indian community and president by the speaker, and members are elected for 5 years. So in Lok Sabha, whichever members are selected, they are there for the term of 5 years. So this was about Lok Sabha, which is also known as Rajya Sabha. Now we are going to, which is also known as lower house. Now we are going to study about Rajya Sabha, which is known as upper house. I repeat, Lok Sabha is called the lower house and Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house. It is the council of states where permanent house is there. So here the maximum seats are 250 seats. 238 seats are selected by the states and union territories, and 12 members are nominated by the president. That is 12 members are being selected by the president. And members are elected for 6 years. So over here members are elected for the term of 6 years. So this is what we mean by Rajya Sabha. So it is very important that you know the details of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha as well. So now Indian Parliament is what exactly? It's what Indian Parliament. So firstly we studied the introduction, then it consists of the president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So that was it for today. I hope you all have understood what I have tried to explain in this video. That was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.